Using Moomoo Cash Coupon I is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your trades. To get started, you need to have a Moomoo account and have received a cash coupon I. First, log into your Moomoo account and navigate to the Coupon Center. Here, you will see a list of all available coupons, including the cash coupon I. Check the details of the coupon, including the face value, expiration date, and any applicable terms and conditions. Next, ensure that your account meets the eligibility criteria for using the cash coupon I. This may include having a minimum balance or having completed a certain number of trades. To use the cash coupon I, go to the trade page and select the security you want to buy or sell. Enter the order details, including the quantity and price. Before confirming the trade, click on the coupon icon and select the cash coupon I from the list of available coupons. The face value of the cash coupon I will be deducted from the total trade amount, reducing the cost of your trade. Confirm the trade and the cash coupon I will be applied. It is essential to note that cash coupon I can only be used for certain types of trades, such as buying or selling stocks, and may not be applicable for other types of investments. Additionally, cash coupon I usually has an expiration date, so make sure to use it before it expires. By following these steps and understanding the terms and conditions of the cash coupon I, you can make the most of this offer and save money on your trades. Always review the details of the coupon and your account eligibility before using the cash coupon I, to ensure a smooth trading experience.